Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, February 11th, 2021. Today is Think About It Thursday. Here's a quote from Dolly Parton. The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you got to put up with the rain. It's fitting for this week because we're having some rain, but we know the end will be something better. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we may be having pancake on a stick, and for lunch, chicken gumbo. For tomorrow's breakfast, cheese toaster biscuit, and lunch, chili cheese dog. Today we have two birthdays. We have Chevion Sanders and Gabrielle Morris. Happy birthday, ladies. A couple of reminders. Shepherd has a no cell phone policy. This includes smartwatches. Cell phones are not permitted at school for students. I hope you students are listening. Cell phones are not permitted. Please begin planning for your Dr. Seuss themed March bulletin board. Board should be updated by Friday, February 26th. Here's some things on the horizon. February 12th, which is Friday, is our Mardi Gras wear for Unite Away. Then we have Mardi Gras break. February 18th, which is next Thursday, is math DRC practice in your classroom. And math already PD during your extended PE time. February 19th, which is Friday, is going to be reading DRC practice in your classroom. February 22nd is your flipped faculty meeting. Miss Mullins sent out the information for that last night. So make sure that you go and find that email from Miss Mullen and do what you need to do before that faculty meeting on February 22nd. February 23rd through 25th is going to be Acap testing lab practice for grades 3 through 5, and we'll be working on a schedule for that. February 24th is PST. Spring Picture Day is February 25th. But makeup yearbook pictures are today. So if you have not gotten your yearbook picture made, today will be the day for that in the library. And finally, our ACAP testing window is March 15th through April 3rd. Again, here is our reminder for our dress out day on Friday. Students may bring $2 to dress out of uniform, and we want everybody in their favorite Mardi Gras colors, purples and yellows and greens. So be festive this Friday while helping a good cause. We have our word of the day. It is area model. So an area model is a model. It's a way to represent a multiplication that shows the product within a rectangle drawing. So it's a way to represent how numbers can be multiplied together, and it shows how you get to that answer, which is the product. So it's a visual representation of a multiplication problem. All right, so you've probably seen area models, and you will see them again. So this is an area model. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.